So we just watched Royal Friendship Fair. Mom, what did you think of Royal Friendship Fair?
It was very cute. Very, very cute.
We got right in the front. It was super hot, but we did it. We got right in the front. That Tiana section is so cute. I love it. Has like all my favorite princesses in it.
All her favorites.
All my favorites. There was a girl like standing next to me that knew all the words, and she had like a Mickey's Friendship Fair. I know, and she like did like all the hand motions and everything. It was great. That's like me with Mickey and the Magical Map now, but we're on our way to the Haunted Mansion to cool off because we are dripping sweat right now, so we're hoping that we
I lost about 10 pounds.
That's good then. That's good.
Thing.
Be in Disney and you lose weight, so you get to eat more. But yeah, and then met Gaston earlier this morning. He was hilarious and super flirty and adorable, so hopefully those pictures come. The photo pass has been really slow here, unlike the other parks, so hopefully I get them today.
But they took a lot. They took a lot of nice. They took a lot of pictures.
They took a lot of pictures. But we're gonna go to Haunted Mansion now, and then I don't know what we're gonna do afterwards because the next fast pass isn't until I think Peter Pan is right before lunch, so we shall see. We're on our way to the Tangled bathrooms. We just got off Haunted Mansion. It was pretty different than Disneyland. Some stuff was different than Disneyland's. See? The Tangled restrooms!
Oh, cute! Oh, this is the Tangled?
These are the restrooms.
Oh, cute!
I love it! Oh my god! So pretty. Oh, Missy Dad! Thank you. To lunch at Be Our Guest. We're finally going. The hardest reservation to get in Magic Kingdom. All thanks to me. No.
Do they dance around and sing Be Our Guest?
No, they don't.
Over again?
But I want to sit in the either the West Wing or the ballroom. But we met Peter Pan. He was kind of weird. Peter Pan was not having it today. He was a little sassy. So I'm not going to show that video just because I didn't really like the way it came out. I'm still trying to get over Gaston this morning, honestly. I'm still like over the moon about it. But the photo pass is having problems, so I can't get the photos yet, so I don't know what they look like. But we're gonna check in to Be Our Guest now, and I'm so excited. Got our rose. We're walking into the castle.
One second for me.
Sure. Like I made the right call. It's on my ears.
Yeah.
So we made it inside Be Our Guest. We chose the West Wing. It's super cool. It's really dark in here, but there's AC, so we're good with that. Pretty, isn't it?
Yes, the air conditioning is on here, so it's really nice. Nice room. The ballroom is big and magnificent. It's also a lot of people, so we thought coming over here is a little bit more intimate. It's nice here. It's impressive, and we'll see how the food is, but this is a good thing. Thank you, Ashlyn, for figuring this place out.
You're welcome. So we got our food. I got the croque monsieur, which looks really good. It's not focusing, but it looks really good. And then my parents got the French dip sandwich, and we got this lemon meringue cupcake, and of course the gray stuff, which I'm super, super excited for. So, good. Yeah. How is it, Mom? First bite. That's a lot of au jus. First bite, how is it?
Very good.
Looks good.
Good?
That's very good.
Oh, it's a dad.
You're not gonna film me eating, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Tastes like a friendship sandwich.
Good. We have the gray stuff here. Looks good. There's a little thing on top. I'm just gonna get a little bit.
What is it?
That's a lot better than Disneyland, so sorry. It is delicious. It's true.
Good.
What did you think of lunch?
Oh, hi, I'm on video.
Hi, you
Hello
are.
again. Lunch was nice. It was a nice environment. The food was fine. It was fun. They did a really nice job on the building in there. And yeah, it was cool. It's worth definitely taking some time to get on the rolls to get in here if you ever come to Disneyland or Disney World.
Okay, so it's a little too hot to do anything right now, so we're gonna go back to the hotel. What happened since I last checked in with you guys? We rode Peter Pan. I met Peter Pan. Oh yeah, that's right, I told you it wasn't that good. And then we went to the Little Mermaid ride, which was a nice boost of AC. And then walked around Circus something a little bit. Storybook Circus a little bit. And then we got a soda and we decided that it was way too hot, so we're gonna go to the Contemporary and relax before dinner. And then we're gonna come back tonight because I have a couple friends here that I'm super excited to see, so hopefully we'll get our second burst of energy later. But yeah, we're gonna go take a nap right now. So we'll check in with you guys at dinner. So we're at the California Grill and we have the best view of the fireworks. Look at this. Guys, oh my god, we're gonna be able to see them right there. I'm so excited. Wow.
Okay.
So we finished dinner at California Grill. Oh, this is not focusing. We finished dinner at California Grill. How was it, Mom?
It was excellent. I had a great time with you celebrating
It was
your
very
21st
good. She gave me
birthday.
flowers. My dad wasn't feeling too well, so he was actually sitting out this time, but so we missed him, but we had a really nice dinner. We saw Happily Ever After from the top of the Contemporary, which is like
beautiful.
crazy. She was drinking champagne. Got my first alcoholic drink, which was a Moscow Mule.
Yes,
so
I watched the fireworks, eating lobster and drinking champagne. I mean,
because
how much
who can
better-
say that?
Exactly. And celebrating
Oh gosh,
and celebrating my baby's birthday.
that is thunder.
Yeah.
That is a lot of thunder. Wow. Okay. Well, we're supposed to meet up with my friend Julia and then my friend Blair.
Watch it
So
start
let's see if we can find it. It's not raining though, which is weird. It's just thunder. So yeah, we'll see what we can get done in the park in like an hour or so. Come on around. It's definitely less busy than it was this morning. There's a storm happening right now in Florida. It's been thunder and lightning for the past hour. So we're gonna head home before we get electrocuted. But it's nice and windy. It finally cools down at like midnight. Thanks, Florida.